Hello, Ed here on Wednesday, 26th of October. Bitcoin update. Trying to do it in 3 minutes, but might be a bit longer because a lot happened. We did have that big move past 24 hours to 20,700, a move which I was waiting for since, more or less here. We finally got it. On the lower time frame, I was wrong because yesterday I updated, and at first I said from here a pullback into that weekend range, which happened. Then I saw a possibility for one more leg down to take out the weekend low and then start pumping or bouncing to 20,700. But look what happened. Yesterday I showed you that pennant. I said when we break out to the upside, I'm most likely wrong with this idea. And there we go, without any pullbacks, just straight up to 20,700. Very strong move. But what is next? Where are we in the market? I do think we have a bit more upside to come. But if you look at this on the daily time frame, it's not a very big move. The party is really starting if we do get back above 23,000 or something at least, and go move out of this range before we can really be bigger bullish. The move we did have now was what I was expecting on my Ether chart. I showed this one also a couple of times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, a corrective bounce. It may go a bit higher, which I can show you on the 4 hour. And this is, of course, this is correlated with Bitcoin and the rest of crypto. That's why I'm showing. We do have this move up, 1, 2, 3. And because this third leg is extending over the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, that is a sign that this is an impulsive move and that you will see some sort of correction before a fifth leg to the upside. It's Elliott wave, it's pretty technical, and it is, let's keep it to what I say, that it is a confirmation that it should give at least one more up to the upside. One more up is also what I see in other stuff like the dollar chart. My expectation is that we do have here a corrective drop towards 109 on the bigger time frame. Let's go here. Well, no, I can explain on the 4 hour also. I do expect so this correction, but we have to be cautious when we do get back above that level, and that dollar is going to continue its move to the upside. Seeing the same in the dollar yen. It is about to break down that little trend line and could be in for this move. And the euro dollar is breaking out of that trend line. It did have here finally a higher low, but that could in this downtrend, this could be only a corrective bounce, just what I show you in Ether and in Bitcoin. A corrective bounce towards this level, but this all lines up with the dollar coming down and stocks going up. Also expecting a bit more upside in S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and that is also meaning, or that also means that I do expect crypto to do a bit more up, which is exactly what I showed you here about Ether doing one more leg to the upside. Altperp, a basket of altcoins on FTX. I've been following this closely to look when we can become bullish again. This is more or less the same as Ether. This move up, and then I was watching this, was a bullish flag in a correction. Here we took out that low, retest, and then came back to this trend line and a very, big breakout yesterday. Not even a retest. Same like Ether did over 10% yesterday. So that's also the reason this one is moving strong. But I would say we are getting closer to that resistance. Could do one more leg up, just like Ether, just like I showed you in Ether. And then it is at resistance. Either then we do get this move, or we go up, and this is where the party is really starting also for altcoins. And this is exactly the same as what I show you guys here. Corrective bounce, maybe a bit higher, but then we still have the risk of the downside. And same here, a corrective bounce here. Party starting above 23, in my opinion. Before we, everything below there is still a big risk of a bigger move to the downside. So short term, a bit more up. On the higher time frames, I would say be careful and keep an eye on the dollar, because I think this is a major play if we get into that green box and to look 109 more or less. And what happens from there? Is the dollar going to continue its rally and crypto suffering? I would say keep an eye on this chart. That's it for now. A bit longer than 3 minutes. I hope it makes sense and wish you a very nice day. Ciao, ciao.